Janus is Roman god having two faces. One looking into the past and the other with ability to see into the future. In Roman devata, নাম হচ্ছে Janus. যেমন এখানে তো দুখন মুখ আছে। এখন এটা তো কি করে অতীত সকলে পায়। আর এখন মুখের একটা ভবিষ্যৎ দেখে। He is believed to be the protector of gates and doorways. মানুষের ঘরের গেট বিলাক দেওয়া ঝামেলা করে একটা দায়িত্ব হইল। The question is, what is it that is named after Janus and that comes to us every year? এই Janus নামের রোমান দেবতার নামক কিবা একটা বস্তু আছে যেটা প্রত্যেক বছর মানুষ চলে। January is the right answer. Yes, January comes every year and it is named after Janus, the Roman god. 10 points to Team Eco. Next is the everyone. So this wonderful event, I welcome you all, and I am sure that you all will take part with a very happy heart. Yesterday we had a competition where Arts and Commerce boys participated, and today we are going to have the competition for the science stream. And I am sure that you will be happy to know that out of these two competitions, from the start of competition, two teams are selected to be better than others. And from today's competition again, out of these 5 participating teams, the best 2 will be selected, and these 4 best teams will take part in the final round that will be conducted on 26th of January. And then I think in this way, we will add some glamour to 26th January observation also. So without spending more time, let us start the program. First of all, there will be some guidelines, some instructions, important instructions. Let me read them out. Participants should listen carefully and understand the question well before attempting to answer. The question to let me complete the question, listen from the beginning till the end, understand the question, then give the reply. It often happens, participating teams, I want to draw your attention, that it often happens that the question is which country. This means that you have to name a country. But there are people who instead of naming a country, they name a city. If I ask you to name a district, you have to name a district. Even if it is wrong, still it should be a district name, not the name of any town which is not a district headquarters. The second point is 10 points for correct answer to a direct question and 5 points for that of a past question. If a team gets a question, a fresh question that is thrown to them, and they correctly answer it, they will get 10 points. And in case the team is not able to give the correct answer, the question is passed on to the next team, and the next team is able to answer correctly, they will get 5 points. In case no team is able to give the correct answer, the question will go to the audience. And if the audience, anyone from the audience is willing to answer, then before answering, just raise your hand. Just show me your hand, and I will allow one of you to answer correctly. And then for that correct answering, there will be more turns. And lastly, audience is requested not to make use of mobile phones while attempting to answer a question. And this is particularly for those who are not students. Because students are not supposed to have mobile phones, and those who are not students are likely to have mobile phones. And even in case they want to answer a question which is thrown to them, they should not make use of mobile phones. In case of disputes or confusion, the quizmaster's decision will be final. That applies to all quiz competitions. Whenever there is a confusion or any kind of dispute, the quizmaster's decision remains final. With these, let us start the problem then. There will be 4 rounds. The final round, the last round will be a visual round. There will be images. You will have to identify what it is. And let us start then. The first round, the very first question. Let me start with my right hand side. There is a name for the atom bomb dropped on Japanese city of Hiroshima on August 6, 1945 during World War II. What was the code name for the bomb dropped on Nagasaki 3 days later? আমি জানো আমেরিকায় জাপানের হিরোশিমা নাগাসাকি দুটো বম ফেলাইছে। Yes, প্রথম বমটো বলিয়া হৈছিল 6 অগস্ট 1945। এই বমটোৰ কোড নেম আছিল লিটল বয়। 3 দিন পিছত on 9th August, the second bomb was dropped in the city of Nagasaki. Hey, proton bomb was little boy drop kara hoisil Hiroshima. Nagasaki drop kara ei দ্বিতীয় bomb ki naam asil. Little girl, this is not the right answer, but you have very good guess. Fat man. Fat man is the right answer. Yes, Fat Man was the code name of the second bomb that America dropped in the Japanese city of Nagasaki on 9th August 1945. And the direct question now to Dikho. Third question that goes to Tim Disam. If you are visiting Delhi, there you will find something called Miranda House. In Gujarat you have Akmal House, and in Delhi there is something called Miranda House. What is this Miranda House in Delhi? What is it the name?
What is the Miranda House?
Delhi ko ham Miranda House kana aslo ki
Coca-Cola.
Bus.
Cool drink service.
Bus is so easy. Yes. What is Miranda House in Delhi? No idea. Miranda House in Delhi. Delhi to ham Miranda House to ki ham na. Pass to Langai. No, it is a house where regular things are done. For example, there is a bank where transactions are made, there is a hospital where patients are treated, there is a school where students come and study. In Miranda House, regular activities are done. Yes, Kabili? Miranda House. I thought you will answer. Okay, audience, please. Anyone? I'll prefer students. If there is no student, I will go to the teacher. No? No student is ready to answer. What is Miranda House in Delhi? Yes, sir.
It's college.
College.
Name of a hostel of Temple University. Not hostel.
No, it's a college. It's a college.
Yes.
It's a girls'
One
college.
modern to Mohandas sir, that Miranda House is the name of a college in Delhi. It is women's college. Next question. Who was the only Indian to become the President of the United Nations General Assembly? রাষ্ট্রসংঘের সাধারণ পরিষদের প্রেসিডেন্ট একমাত্র ভারতীয় কোন আছে, and she was the only woman also to become, not only from India, in the history of she is the first woman in the history of the United Nations to become the president, and from India she is the only one so far.
Neki Nashul.
No idea. Who was the only Indian to become the president of the United Nations General Assembly? Pratibha Patil. No, Pratibha Patil. Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris is not the right answer.
খুব রিসেন্ট এর আগে তো
Leshkubai Mittal is also not the right answer.
অপশন নেই
No idea is a very good answer. No idea. It is not a stylish answer. No idea. You don't have an idea, then have an idea. Yes, audience? Audience? No. I can give you a clue to the audience. The clue is Jawaharlal Nehru. Clue is Jawaharlal Nehru. No. It's Nehru's sister, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. She became the President of General Assembly in 1953. And so far she is the only Indian to hold this position. The next question, the second question of this round will go to Team Dhansi. Who was independent India's first education minister? Independent India's first education minister. Don't make any sound, please. Independent India's first education minister, you don't know. Okay, the first देखो
Abul Kalam Azad.
कलाम आजाद. It's मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद. 5 points to 10 देखो. 5 points to 10 देखो. Support them. So this was the second question of the third round. Next, the third question of the third round will go to देखो. Which country's capital is Manama? Manama कौन कौन देखो राजधानी नाम? नाम तो होगा देखो.
उगंडा
Uganda masuk lagi.
Manama is the capital of which country? Sir, Mary, yes, Kabir? No. Disam. Which country's capital is Manama? Pennsylvania is not the right answer. We should come to you. Yes, consider. Audience, please. Yes. Bahrain is the right answer. 5 pairs. Sorry, modern for him. Next question will go to, this is the fourth question of the third round. This will go to Rangai. Yes? Are you ready? Mentally ready? Are you ready to make guess also? No. If it is guess, no. It's a punchline. You have to tell what the name of the organization. Whom the organization tagline? Good people to banquet. Good people to banquet is the tagline of which bank? Let me specify. It's a bank.
Which bank tagline is good?
Yes, bank is also the wrong answer.
Money bank.
Wrong answer. From State Bank of India. Disam. Punjab National Bank is the wrong answer. Yes, Bandhan Bank is not the right answer. Yes, Diko. ICICI Bank is also the wrong answer. Audience.
HDFC.
It's yes, one hand is HDFC. Union Bank of India is the right answer. Yes. Good people to bank with. The last question of this round, and this will go to Kapil. Yes, Kapil. Which Bollywood actress from Assam played the role of Pulon Devi in the controversial film Bandit Queen? Bandit Queen namak the cinema kono অসমত কোনগৰাকী মহিলাই নায়িকাৰ ৰল Pulon Devi role play কৰিছে? Not the right answer. Audience. Yes, madam will get a modern Sima Biswas from Nalbari. Sima Biswas. Yes. This we end the third round, and the last round is the next round. And I would like to request the scorer to summarize the score at the end of the third round.
Kapil 5, Longai 10, Tipo 20, Danseri 5, and Disam 5. The highest is Tipo 20.
Tipo is leading to 20 scores, followed by 10, 20, 10, 5. The gap is really wonderful. So then the last round, and this will begin with my left hand side. It is the